How to delete a Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete a Facebook account. Now deleting a Facebook account is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this once you're logged into your account. Now make sure you are logged into the account that you want to delete, and here what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen here and head into settings icon or the gear icon that you'll find just below it. Simply tap on it and here you'll be headed into settings and privacy. Now head into the first option that you'll find below the account. You can see personal and account information. Tap on it here and here you'll be able to find the option account ownership and control, and under it you'll find the option account deletion or deactivation. However, here you can see there is no any option. If unlike me and like me you don't find an option to delete account here, what you can do is head into your Play Store here and then on Play Store searching for Facebook Lite. Now this app is totally safe, so you don't need to worry about it. Open this up and log into your account on this Facebook Lite here. You can see I've logged into my account. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen again and scroll down and head into settings. Under settings, what you want to do is head into personal and account information like before here, and you will find the option here access and control. You can see manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your account. Simply tap on it here and tap on deactivation and deletion, and then you can tap on delete account if you want to delete your account, or if you want to deactivate you can tap on deactivate. However, make sure the blue check mark is on the option that you want to do. Simply tap on delete account if you want to delete account and tap on continue, and it'll ask you to confirmation here. Simply tap on continue again. If you have any pages, tap on continue to account deletion and scroll down below and tap on delete account, and it'll ask you for password here. Simply type in your password and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.